This year, Santa Claus gave me a Mugen lanyard and a Mugen shift knob that I'm going to install right now for mass kilowatt gains. Ah. I'm a retard, don't I? I know. I'm sorry, Anna. Forgot. Pull it out, put it on, and then you gotta take it for a rip.
Oh, ruined it. Whoa.
Most of the arseholes are bum. I pop a cherry now, she call me pop. She asking me what's on my butt. Versace.
Hate. Look at this.
That was new. Nah, you stay here. Later.
Didn't someone have a Ricardo t-shirt? Recaro.
Yeah.
Is that what you're meant to do?
Yeah.
And this is from the original OEM one then, yeah? Yeah. That's it. I got a Mugen shift knob.
He's not very good at catching.
This feels weird, man.
Huh?
This feels weird.
Huh?
It feels like a screwdriver. What?
It's getting lit. I need to put on my driving shoes. What are you doing? I gotta put on my driving shoes, man. He's gonna put driving shoes on. I'm scared. I'm gonna have too much power. Yeah. I have Phillip. Feels like a screwdriver, you reckon? This was weird, man. We put GoPro on as well. Bro, this feels weird. It feels so skinny. Feel the power gains though. Ooh, what the hell? It feels so much skinnier compared to like my little ball titanium. Get that car, mate. Camry. Oh, shit, man. Shit. Oh, yeah. Feels good. Give it a blip. Finance annoying. Oh, perfect. VTEC. But that was quick, man. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
You feel the crossover. It was like, bro. It hit me back a bit. I got a bit of G-force going. Shit, man.
That was the first time I felt VTEC.
Yeah. That was actually the first time I hit VTEC. That's the first time I hit VTEC.
Shit, is that the first time?
Yeah, that was the first time. Damn, that was quick. What the hell?
Yeah, because the light went on.
I know.
It went deed.
We're in Mexico. At least I know my VTEC still works. I need it now. I need an oil change. That's what I need. Oh, my stick is coming off a bit. I have to screw it back in. I love the Mugen shift knob. It's lit. Oh, it smells like burning from the things.